Hello, and welcome back to Tricksters at Home. Today we're going into the ocean with Trickster Mel to learn how different creatures live under the sea. Have fun!
Well, hello again. It's me, Trickster Mel, here for another adventure with you today. Can you guess where we're going? I thought today we could go into the deep, deep waters of the ocean and see what kind of creatures we can find. But we have a mission to complete. Our little friend, the oyster at the bottom of the ocean, has a pearl stuck in it. So we need to dive deep, deep down into the ocean and retrieve the pearl. Do you know what kind of creature we get to be as we go swimming into the ocean today? Well, mermaids, of course. So grab your fins and let's get swimming. Can you all show me what it's like to be a mermaid? Okay, we're gonna take our legs like this and stick them together like one big scaly fish tail. Got our mermaid tail, check, and our swimming hands, check. Let's get swimming. Ready? Let's dive deep. Hands together, and up, and dive. Whoa, do you see what I see?
It's a cute little sea lion. Did you know sea lions have powerful front flippers that help them move through the water? They propel these flippers in big sweeping motions called claps, which makes it easier for them to glide through the water.
Can you show me your best sea lion? Let's keep swimming to find that pearl. Oh my, do you see the other sea creature I see?
It's a tiny little crab. Did you know most crabs actually walk or run across the bottom of the ocean? But some crabs, like the blue crab of the Atlantic coast, actually can swim. Their rearmost pair of legs is actually modified for swimming, and their legs are paddle-shaped to make it easier for them to swim.
Whoa, it's a cute little crab. Can you show me your best crab? Let's keep swimming to find that pearl. Oh no, do you see what I see? Uh-oh, it looks like we have to get past these sharks to get to the pearl. Okay, we need to be really, really still while they pass us, all right? But that was pretty cool that we got to see a bunch of sharks swim around us. Can you show me your best shark?
Did you know, unlike fish, sharks cannot stop suddenly or swim backwards? Instead, sharks use gravity to fall to turn around.
Oh look, I think we found the oyster. Oh my, we've retrieved the pearl and saved the oyster. Let's take this pearl back up to our mermaid friends. Wow, it's a school of fish. Wow, thank you so much for coming on my underwater adventure today. I hope you learned something awesome and got to see all the cool sea creatures. I don't know about you, but I definitely learned something on our underwater adventure today. I learned that all the sea creatures we got to see, and even the ones we didn't get to see, move differently and all have different sets of skills that allows them to be unique and live in the ocean. And just like the sea creatures, us humans who live on the land move differently and have different sets of skills too that make us unique and sets us apart from other humans. Isn't it crazy what you can learn from sea creatures? Well, that's it for me again today. Thank you so much for joining me on my underwater adventure. I hope you learned something amazing about the sea creatures we got to see today. And maybe you'll join me next time on my next adventure. Who knows where we'll go next? This is tour guide Trickster Mel, signing off.